What's the number one reason why you should be replacing the gear lube in a drivetrain component? We're going to find out next.
This video is sponsored by AutoValue. Visit us online for more information.
There's three main reasons why you need to be replacing the gear oil in a drivetrain component according to a maintenance interval. First reason, well, the viscosity and the oil itself breaks down due to the extreme pressures between gears and other components inside that drivetrain component. Number two is contamination. It's not contamination from the outside, but internally on a drivetrain component. Over time, little pieces of the gears, the synchronizers, and other things inside the case can find their way into the gear lube. Over time, these can work their way around the gears and eventually damage and score them. So this is why you need to change the gear lube, because of contamination. But the number one reason you need to be replacing gear lube is because of the additive package. Over time, the additive package that controls the pH inside of that drivetrain component can eventually break down and be depleted. When it is depleted, it may become very acidic inside that case. This can lead to damage of, let's say, synchronizers in the transmission that are made of brass, maybe a cast component, and eventually the seals on the case itself. So you need to be replacing that to get those additives back in the system. So there you have it. Viscosity breakdown, contamination, and depletion of the additive package. This is why you need to be on top of gear lube replacement. I'm Andrew Markell. Thank you very much.